Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to fix Netflix app crashing or not loading on Google TV or Android TV. So let's check it out. Google or Google TV might change the user interface in the future. If the options appear different when you're watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. If you are planning to watch Netflix on your Google TV and if it is getting crashed or not opening, then here are some ways to fix that. Number 1, check Netflix service status. First and foremost, we have to check if Netflix is having any global outage issues. If it is down globally, then it may not work on our Google TV. We can go to Is Netflix Down official service status page to know this. I'll share the link on the screen. You can open a web browser and go to this URL and it will show the status. Number 2, check if our Netflix subscription is active. We might have forgotten to renew it, or if we have any payment issues, we may not be able to access our Netflix account. We should also check whether our Netflix plan supports watching on a TV or streaming device, because some plans may be restricted to mobile devices alone. If you recently made the payment and if it is not reflecting, then you can sign out of your account. You can sign out like this and you can sign in again. Number 3, check if other apps are working. If you have other OTT apps on your Google TV device, you can check if they are working properly. You can try this with Prime Video, YouTube, Apple TV, etc. and see if you are able to stream properly. This will rule out whether Netflix is having any issues or if the issue is with the Google TV overall. Number 4, restart or update Google TV. Most of the minor app issues should be fixed by restarting our Google TV device. We can restart and wait for a few seconds. Then we can open the Netflix app and see if it is working properly. We can go to Settings, System, and we can select the restart option here. Also, check if our Google TV or Android TV is updated to the latest version. Most of the modern applications may not work well with an outdated operating system. We can go to Quick Settings, System, About, and we can see if there is any update for our Google TV. Number 5, check our Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Even when our internet connection is behaving weirdly, we might have issues with our Netflix app. The simple fix would be to restart the Wi-Fi router. We can turn it off and turn it on after 30 seconds. Then we can open our Netflix app and see if there is any difference. Additionally, we can go to the Netflix app, then go to the profile picture, select Get Help, and here go to check your network. This will do a small connection test. Number 6, update or reinstall Netflix. We can also check if we have any update available for our Netflix app. Updating the app to the latest version may solve any loading or crashing issues we have. We just have to go to the app icon, long press it, and go to View in Play Store. And if we have any new update, we will see that here. We can select that. We can also uninstall the Netflix app and reinstall it freshly. We can do this through the app section or the Google Play Store. Number 7, clear Netflix cache or data. We can clear the Netflix app cache. This will remove the temporary files associated with the app. We can go to Settings, go to Apps, then go to Netflix, and here we will have the clear cache option. We can clear that. If this is not helping, then we can also clear the data for this. This will remove the entire stored information. We might have to log in again to the app. Number 8, force stop Netflix. When we force stop the Netflix application, it will completely close the app and stop all its running processes. We can go to Settings, Apps, Netflix, and here we will have the force stop option. This will allow the app to start fresh when you open it again and potentially fix any temporary issues. Last but not least, if nothing is helping, then the only way is to factory reset our Google TV device. This will reset and delete everything on our device. Please try all the other available solutions first before preferring this. If you still want to do this, then we can go to settings, go to system, go to about, and here we will have the factory reset option. We can select this and follow the steps. These are the steps to fix Netflix app crashing or not loading on Google TV or Android TV. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.